Why do learners resist these approaches when they're so much better for their learning? Well, there are lots of reasons, but let's focus on these main ideas. First, learner-centered approaches are more work. Any resistance you get using this reason is a sign that your approach is actually successful. You're engaging students with content and developing their skills. Number two, learner-centered approaches are more threatening. Learners resist because they're afraid. The old model is out the window. How are they supposed to act? Who's responsible for what? You've opened Pandora's box and you've let out all sorts of unknowns. Learners have to try things they aren't good at yet. Often they lack self-confidence. Relying on yourself as an expert is kind of frightening. It brings up issues of imposter syndrome, and not being able to figure out what the teacher, quote, really wants can cause anxiety. Some learner resistance says more about their own perception of themselves as learners than it does about the method. And learner-centered approaches involve losses. Any move from one stage of maturity to the next involves a loss. It creates a loss of certainty that has sustained the learners in the past. That sense of how things work has been a refuge for them. Growing pains, in other words. And learner-centered approaches may be beyond the learner's abilities. Some of the activities may push the learners beyond what they're capable of doing. So when we encounter resistance, we need to consider whether that resistance is about it being more work, based on fear, a sense of loss, or is it a legitimate objection to something that the learner is not yet ready to handle? Many of our learners have developed a formula for success, and if it does not appear that that formula can be used, they panic and they protest. Don't take it personally. Don't respond defensively. Although they may direct their resistance at you, that isn't what it's really about.